ahead and throw the motor in today after I clean out the engine bay and do all that stuff. But it still needs a head gasket. I've got one on the way thanks to Brent at PFI. So I'm just going to throw this in, and then afterwards I can just bolt the head down while it's in the engine bay. So maybe I'll get this thing rolling, push it out, clean off all the oil and stuff. Alrighty, so the engine bay is all cleaned up, way better, and I'm going to start by throwing the rest of the things onto the block. It still needs the water pump and the coolant neck and everything on the back here, and then bolt it up to the transmission, throw it in, and get it sitting in there. So I can get everything done except for having the head on it, just sitting over there. Like I said, new head gaskets on the way, and that way when I get that I can just bolt the head on, make it easy. So it's getting back together, it's starting to look like a motor again. Just need to take this blue piece off that holds the engine and bolt the tranny, well, clutch and flywheel on. Roxy, come here. Come here. Oh, he's a good girl. There we go. Say hi. Hi, Roxy. Just drooling in my engine. Alright, I've just got to throw these mounts on the sides here. The third one is already kind of in there, so once I get those done, I can just drop it in and start hooking up all the wiring and all the hoses. Alright guys, so unfortunately the camera died while I was putting this in. It was kind of a struggle because these are solid mounts and they're hard to line up, but sitting in there, I've got some of the wires that need to be plugged in, but all I need to do is wait for that head gasket so I can bolt the head on and hook everything else back up, hopefully in a couple days. But thanks for watching, and hopefully this thing's running soon.